Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that very popular Stihl MS 290 chainsaw. This one features a 20-inch sprocket nose bar and chain. That's a full comp chain. Full comp meaning there's more teeth, less spacing between the teeth, and a sprocket nose. Very popular model for firewood cutting. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this saw has. Master controls on the left here. You got off, ignite, run, high idle, and high idle choke all the way down. Has a twist lock caps, really nice feature on the Stihls. Flip that black lever up, twist, and you can get into the fuel. Same on the oil. Got the side load on the oil, got the twist lock. Working chain brake. And to adjust the tension on this saw, loosen the two large bar nuts up. Right in the center is the tensioner screw. Easy to get at. The saw is isolated, rubber mounted. Underneath here, underneath these little caps is rubber mounts. Makes it real comfortable for running this saw. Just a very popular firewood cutting saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.